Best quotes on nature. Look deep into nature and you will understand everything better. Albert Einstein. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. Lao Tzu. In all things of nature there is something of the marvelous. Aristotle. For in the true nature of things, if we rightly consider, every green tree is far more glorious than if it were made of gold and silver. Martin Luther. One touch of nature makes the whole world kin. William Shakespeare. Adapt or perish, now as ever, is nature's inexorable imperative. H.G. Wells. I go to nature to be soothed and healed, and to have my senses put in order. John Burroughs. I love to think of nature as an unlimited broadcasting station through which God speaks to us every hour if we will only tune in. George Washington Carver. My soul can find no staircase to heaven unless it be through earth's loveliness. Michelangelo. The day, water, sun, moon, night, I do not have to purchase these things with money. Plautus. Rain is grace. Rain is the sky descending to earth. Without rain there would be no life. John Updike. Some people walk in the rain, others just get wet. Roger Miller. How inappropriate to call this planet Earth when it is quite clearly ocean. Arthur C. Clarke. In the depth of winter, I finally learned that there was in me an invincible summer. Albert Camus. There are no lines in nature, only areas of color, one against another. Edouard Manet. The poetry of the earth is never dead. John Keats. Over every mountain there is a path, though it may not be seen from the valley. Theodore Roethke. There are always flowers for those who want to see them. Henri Matisse. Solitary trees, if they grow at all, grow strong. Winston Churchill. Spring is nature's way of saying, "Let's party." Robin Williams. There is nothing in a caterpillar that tells you it's going to be a butterfly. R. Buckminster Fuller. The mountains are calling, and I must go. John Muir. Earth and sky, woods and fields, lakes and rivers, mountains and seas teach us more than we can ever learn from books. John Lubbock. Best quotes on nature.